What's good guys, my name is Oleg Nikitin, you're watching No Limits on the channel, and today we're reviewing this little fog machine by LENSGO company, and this is called Smoke B. I'm outside because my neighbors are doing some construction works and it's too loud out there, and also I don't want to fog entire flat and apartment with this nice fog. So today I have this little setup. We're shooting in 4K 100 frames per second with the Sony FX30, and also I have a little light from Ulanzi, which is battery powered. Actually, it's a rechargeable built-in battery, and it's giving this nice little accent right here on this beautiful lemon. So let's check this fog machine and find out is it any good. So guys, let's walk through the kit. It comes in this very nicely made carrying case. It's a hard shell case, as you can see. Here we have the smoke machine itself. It's a pretty plasticky thing, but it's super simple to use. We have a protective cover right here, so you're not getting burned while you're using the fog machine. The tank is in here for your oil, the oil tank. And also you put the oil, which is in the kit as well. 12 milliliters and 6 bottles of oil are in the kit. So you put it right here, you close the silicone cover, and you're ready to go. Here is the power button, so it's charging and showing you the charging status. If it's red, it's charging. If it's green, it's charged. If it's blue, it's ready to work. Double press, smoke goes on. Single press, smoke stops. That's it. On the bottom, we have a 1/4 20-inch thread, which allows you to put this machine somewhere and use this remote control, which is also in the kit, and to actually make some smoke from time to time. And also here we have the USB Type-C charging port. So super simple design right here. As I said, in the box we have 6 bottles of fog machine fluid. Also we have this pretty cool fan which attaches to the top of the fog machine itself, and it allows you to spread a lot of fog and to make kind of hazy, foggy environment in your studio or somewhere else on the location. It charges via USB Type-C and works pretty flawlessly. We'll check this out in a minute. So right here we have different adapters. So here we have the angled adapter, so it allows you to make some interesting angles with your fog machine to put it somewhere else, like if it's not comfortable to use in a straight position. So here we have the straight tube with a nozzle, which allows you to actually spray the fog in more intense way, so it will be like in a straight, powerful line of fog. Also the remote control, the USB-C charging cable, and also this flexible adapter which allows you to make different angles very fastly and conveniently, so you can move like in circles or whatever. And the most interesting adapter is this foamy thing which can make you like laying, covering things, smoke which just stays on the table if you use it on the table, for instance. So this one is the most interesting, at least to me. So here it is, pretty simple kit, but it's a nice kit to have. A lot of things in here, so let's test the fog quality. So guys, let's start off with a simple nozzle and a simple attachment. So here we have just a straight tube and a little nozzle. So we turn it on, hold, it turns blue, it means that it's ready to go. Double tap, it's turning on, and then you can hear how loud it is. But it's actually a lot of smoke in here, so let me put it right here towards my little sexy lemon. And as you can see guys, we have a pretty powerful and straightforward kind of line of smoke, if you will, and it's pretty strong. And my little Ulanzi light helps me to kind of highlight the smoke because it's lighting the right part of the image. So let's put this away, the little nozzle, and here it is with the regular attachment, just a straight line. And as you can see, here we have a pretty nice kind of glowing smoke because of the light, and it's a bit sticky.
Sticky, icky, icky, icky.
It's not too light, let me say, and it gives a pretty cool effect in my opinion, so it's kind of sticky, let me say. So here it is, one tap.
I should take you to my green room.
To actually turn it off, you'll have some condensation right here inside, so keep that in mind. So here it is with the angled adapter. So if we put the angled adapter, I can make a different angle. So let me do it like so, double tap. So with an angled adapter, I can put it somewhere behind, for instance, and the smoke will go upwards. So here it is. As you can see guys, the angled adapter works just fine and flawlessly. It's a bit windy in here, so if you don't have any wind or if you shoot indoors, you'll have a better understanding and better performance actually from this system. By the way, it charges for 3 hours from 0 to 100, and it works for 18 minutes in the active mode, in smoke mode. So it's not a ton of time, but actually 18 minutes of smoking with this machine.
Please don't touch the diesel, my nizzle.
Is a lot. So you'll be like smoking the whole entire space with the smoke. You won't be able to even see each other in a pretty small room if you smoke for 18 minutes. And I don't recommend doing this because it still smells a bit, you know, like a fog machine. So here we have our silicone kind of, you know, wobbly thing, and this foam adapter, which can make this effect like laying on the table, laying on the surface, smoke which stays in here. I'm not sure if it's gonna be working right here, but let's try this out. So we just put it like so, somewhere here, and it's going to stay there if it's not windy. And also if we put this away, the foamy stuff,
You understand what I'm saying?
we can see that this angled adapter can be used in any direction, as you can see right here. And also it's getting pretty hot to touch if you do it for like 2-3 minutes straight, like so. So keep that in mind and don't use it a lot, and be careful with your hands because you can burn yourself. So let's pause this thing, and the last thing I wanted to check is the remote control. So it has an IR sensor, infrared, so press it and hold it, and it simply works like so. And if you double press, it's working in this way, so it's working constantly. Single press and it stops. I don't recommend using this thing without any adapters because it kind of spits the oil from this. So put any adapter and use it as is. So let me show you a couple of shots in the studio, how it looks in a different setting, indoors, with some product shots. So guys, to conclude, it's a pretty nice and powerful little device. I did enjoy using it. It's not stinky, let me say, and it's not getting too hard in terms of its temperature. And I'm okay with using it in smaller environments. But if you want to, you can actually make a lot of smoke even in the forest. And by the way, guys, I forgot to use and to check this little adapter. So let's turn on the fan and let's turn on the smoke machine. Here it is. Pretty smoky.
Some of that Belvedere.
So that's it, guys. Pretty nice little device to fog anything, anywhere, anytime. And actually it's not that expensive, but be careful that sometimes this might work not as intended and you can get some pretty stinky and you know, foggy smells. So be careful in those environments. Your health should be on the first place, of course. So if you did enjoy this video, please smash the like and subscribe buttons and the notifications bell. And if you have any questions, please let me know about those in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.
We'll be back in a flash.